Okay, so hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 979, that is distributed coins in a binary tree, and in this we'll begin the root of binary tree with n nodes, where each node in the tree has node.value coins, and there are n coins in the total throughout the whole tree. And in one move, we may choose to two adjacent nodes and move one coin from node to another, and a move may be from parent to child or from child to parent. We have to return the minimum number of moves required to make every node have exactly one coin. Okay, for example, in this we are having a three, so one in one three coins are present at the root node. So what we can do, we can move one coin from here to here in one move, and then one from here to here. So the total number of moves are two, which is also the minimum number of moves. Okay, and but in this case we are having, we'll be having two moves, three moves basically. So in one move I'll be moving one to this, and in second move also I'll be moving one to this, one going to this, and then from the root I'll be making it to the right child of the root. Okay, so for this what I'll be having, let's first initialize the answer variable, that will be equal to 0, and I am declaring it globally. You can even pass it in a function, it's up to you. And then what we'll be doing is we'll be having the function that is count steps. Okay, and in that we'll be passing on the root, and at the end we'll return our answer. Okay, and now let's quickly write this function, that is private int count steps, and it will be taking the parameter as tree node root, which I'll just copy from here, control C, and then control. Okay, so firstly the base case, that if my root is null, so in that case I have to return root is equal to null. In this case directly return, we'll be returning 0 instead. Okay, so just to mention that it's not a valid point, so then we'll be having the left tree, the number of nodes in the left tree, so that will be equal to count steps with the parameters as root dot left, root dot left. Okay, and then similarly the right tree, int right tree with parameters as count, with the function call to itself count steps with root dot right. Okay, and then what we'll be doing is we'll be adding the number of nodes to our answer, that will be equal to the absolute value of, not absolute value of. And why are we choosing absolute value is because we can might have like the nodes are not in proper number. Okay, so for that we'll be using left tree plus absolute of right tree, the number of points from the right tree. Okay, and then what we'll be doing is we'll be returning the root dot value plus left coins plus left tree and plus right tree minus 1. Okay, so okay, I understood why are we like returning absolute value, because in this case like there might be a chance we are out the leaf node whose value is 0, left tree is not, does not exist, so we'll return 0, right tree also does not exist, so we'll return 0, and at the end we are subtracting minus 1. So just to handle the overflow condition, we are taking the absolute value. Okay, so now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.